Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day today as the price pulled back that much more and has now entered into a territory that I'm not going to call it a do or die level, but as far as the technical chart is concerned in areas of support, a level that you would definitely want to see hold strong. But before anything else, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these lines up here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart, but they're not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the level now that really is going to be important moving forward sits right down here at $8.30. And if you go through the history of things, you can see 8.30 acted or behaved nicely there, and then once again behaved nicely there. And that's one of those areas where a lot of people have taken notice of that level. And I mention that because when a lot of people have noticed the same level and are going to be wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can certainly produce some very dynamic movements. So, I mean, nothing is guaranteed, but my core point here is just it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price ultimately breaks down through that level, that breaking could very well create just that much more downside selling pressure. So you're going to want to keep a very close eye on that area moving forward from the support side of things. But to be fair, so far so good. I mean, the price has bounced off that area many times before, so we'll see if the price can continue to do that or not. If the price doesn't hold above that area, though, next level to keep an eye on and watch very closely would then be down there right around $8.10. If the price does try to bounce upward at all, key level of resistance initially going to be that pink line right there, the 200 period moving average, currently valued at 868, and the next level after that would be that purple line, which denotes the 50 period moving average, and that's currently valued at 892. So keep your eye on those couple of levels, like I said, in the event there is any sort of upwards bounce. But as of right now, things are definitely looking relatively shaky. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.